Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mitsubishi Mirage dome light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new replacement bulb. Make sure the new bulb matches the specifications for your Mirage. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off before starting any electrical work. Now, let's access the dome light. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry around the edges of the plastic lens cover. It should pop off with minimal effort. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the old bulb. Take a moment to observe how it's seated in the socket. This will help with installing the new one correctly. With the cover off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Gently pull the bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a little warm if it was recently on, so be cautious. Now, take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the socket, ensuring it's firmly seated. Before putting the cover back on, turn on your car's interior lights to test if the new bulb illuminates properly. Finally, reattach the plastic lens cover. Align the tabs and gently press until it snaps securely back into place. You've successfully replaced your dome light. For future convenience, it's a good idea to keep a spare bulb in your glove compartment. Also, if you're looking for ways to make your daily routine smoother, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.